Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to hide your name on WhatsApp. Whether it's for privacy, anonymity, or just a bit of fun, this simple trick will help you achieve a blank or hidden name. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. Next, at the top of the Settings screen, you'll see your profile picture and name. Tap on it to access your profile details. Once inside, tap directly on your current name. This will allow you to edit it. Now, delete your existing name by backspacing until the field is empty. If WhatsApp doesn't allow you to save an empty field, try copying and pasting a blank character or symbol from another source. Once the name field appears blank, tap Save. And that's it. Your name is now hidden on WhatsApp. Keep in mind that while this hides your name from contacts, your phone number will still be visible to them. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching.